This one's worth 10 points. He got it. This one's worth 20 points. He got it. This one's worth 100 points. Oh, he got it. He's got 120 points. That one's got 120 points. This one is worth 30 points. Ha, just kidding, it was just worth 3 points. Okay, and for the win, this one's worth 10,000 points. Oh, you got it, you won. That one's the winner. He won right there, he got the win. Okay, let's see who can grab it out of my hand. Ready, go. You gotta want it. Nice, good job. See, he wanted it, he wouldn't give up. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. Grab a Cheeto and fly away. I believe I can soar. Oh, you missed it! That one missed it, you lost. You lose, you missed it.